What's up, what's up, what's up mga kawalwal? Nandito naman po ang Kawalwal Aris nyo po at manggugulo sa inyo pero sa mabuting paraan. Anyway, nandito po tayo at mayroon po akong magagawing content. Itong content po ito is about Chinese, English to Chinese. Tatanungin ko po yung isa sa mga trabador dito sa amin kasi medyo marunong po siya mag-English. So, tatanungin ko siya kung anong English na ganito, anong Chinese na ganito, anong Chinese na ganito. So, English to Chinese, ita-translate niya ng Chinese. So, bahala na kayo guys kung gusto nyong matuto. Ito po ay Cantonese, Cantonese Chinese. So, kung gusto nyo matuto, kahit paano, meron kayong malalaman na ibang dialect. So, watch out nyo po yung itong content na ito. Anyway, kumusta naman po kayo dyan? Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at ligtas anumang karamdaman. Lalo pa sa mga subscriber ko, tsaka yung sumusuporta po sa akin lahat at nagla-like, nagko-comment. Thank you so much po. Please support my channel kasi pag umuwi po ako, gusto ko po maging charity vlogger. Siyempre hindi na po ako magtatagal dito sa Hong Kong, medyo matagal na po ako dito. Okay, thank you so much mga kawalwal. Please watch my intro first. Hello mga kawalwal. Nandito na naman ako manggugulo sa inyo.
Like a Hellcat.
Hello mga kawalwal, nandito po yung friend ko na Chinese. What's your name?
My name is White Hill.
White Fuel. So he's going to teach me how to speak Chinese, or in every individual I ask him, what is the meaning of this in Chinese. How about the eyes? What is in Chinese? No, the eyes.
眼睛
Everyone.
眼眉
Here.
頭髮
This one.
手
So how about dress?
衣服
Report. How about mouth?
口
Mouth is out. How about nose?
鼻子
How about tree? How about tree? This one.
樹木
Simo. How about soy? Water is Chinese is soy. How about this one?
頭髮
Here.
hair
How about nose?
鼻子
PG. Eyes.
眼睛
Liko.
鼻
Liko. Dress. Huh?
衣服
Dress is A po.
衣服
This one. Pants.
褲子
Puchi.
嗯
What is car?
車
Huh?
車
Car is K.
車
K.
車
Che.
yeah.
How about eyes?
眼睛
Eyes is anching.
yeah.
How about this one? The eyebrow.
眼眉
Anme.
啊
just here in Chinese, the carton. The carton.
呢個唔明
Liko. In Chinese.
呢個
Yeah, the carton.
你話呢個咩啊？
In Chinese.
雙子
Sanchi. How about this one? How about the jacket? This one.
jacket 外套
Oito. This is Oito, the jacket.
yes jacket
How about this one? The bike.
單車
Tamche. How about this one?
毛
A
巾
towel. Mocha. How about the umbrella?
雨傘
Isan. How about this one?
呢個水盤
Soypon. How about this one?
呢個儲物箱
Jimasong. How about this?
水瓶
Soyping.
嗯
Oh. Oh, what do you call this? How about this one?
呢個
The machine.
健身單車，
How about this one?
呢個拇指。
Muji.
Bird. The bird is 鷹。
Ying.
鷹。
Oh, fly. So how about the pants? This one.
褲子。
Puji. How about the brief, the underwear?
內褲。
Loipo. T-shirt.
T-shirt and 衣服。
Ipok. Oh, tatlo sila. How about the trees?
Trees
Yeah,
and 樹木。
Simok. How about the car?
車子。汽車。
Huh?
汽車。
Keche. Oh, how about the floor? The floor.
地板。
Dipan. How about the sun?
太陽。
How about the moon?
月亮。
How about the star?
哦，星星。
Same. The shoes. Yeah,
邊個
in Chinese. Shoes.
？Shoes。
This one in
Oh.
Chinese.
鞋子。
Tai Chi. Okay. How about the ladder?
梯啊。
Tai. Tai. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.